Every day I'm hustling, 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 hustling. Every day I'm hustling, every day.
Hey y'all, this wig actually is from RPG Hair. Of course, the details will be in my description box. This is a 360 lace wig, and I'm just going to get right into the install. Ooh, yes, hunty, what lace all on my eyebrows. Yes, get into it. Not just playing. But I'm going to be doing something different a little bit. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trying this new makeup to see if it matches with my skin. This is a Maybelline Fit Me. I'm going to leave the number in the description box of the Maybelline Fit Me that I used. And I'm going to see if it's really fitting me. Like, is it my perfect match? The color of your lace will really make or break your style. If you don't have the right color lace, the whole install is going to be ruined. But if you use makeup, you know, it's easy for you to just wash the makeup off. So if this doesn't match, that's okay. I can just wash it off, use a different makeup. But I don't know now. It's looking kind of right. When you use the Gots to Be gel and the Gots to Be holding spray, it really forms some kind of concoction sent from the devil himself, because this thing is holding on strong and it ain't letting go, baby. This thing is like glue. Like, it really is like glue. But once it gets tacky, when you blow dried it a little bit, you're going to take the lace and go ahead and lay it down into the gel. And it's going to be very like on there. It's going to be down. If the lace starts slipping, that means the glue, well, the gel and the holding spray didn't dry long enough. See, now everything was going good, but like, what's going on with the lace now? Like, I don't know if this makeup gonna really match, but we gonna see. I'm gonna just thug it out. I'm gonna stay tuned to the end, and I'm gonna see if it's right. We gonna see. What y'all say? Maybelline Fit Me ain't fitting me too well. Besides that, the hair, I really like. This will make or break your style as well, the way you wrap your ponytail. But if y'all don't know already, I love and I live for curly hair. Like, curly hair is my all-time favorite ever. I really love this hair, and it hasn't been shedding excessively during this install process. But I'll keep you guys posted. But I don't know, the lace starting to grow on me. It's starting to look all right. What y'all say? But thank you guys for tuning in as always. See you next time.